The unseen battle in the gym. The gym is a battlefield, not just of weights and reps, but of aman and akhlaq. Every glance, every drop of sweat, every interaction is a test. The Prophet said, the strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, Muslim. But strength isn't just physical. It's about discipline, respect, and guarding your soul. Picture this. You're mid-set, focused, pushing your limits. Then a sister walks by. Do you lower your gaze? Or does shaitan whisper, just one look won't hurt? The gym can be a place of barakah or a pitfall of sin. Here's how to train your body without breaking your faith. 1. Lower your gaze or lose your strength. Allah commands, tell the believing men to lower their gaze. 30. But the gym tests this like nowhere else. Tight clothes, mirrors everywhere. It's a minefield. That innocent glance, it's the first step toward fitna. The Prophet ﷺ warned about the adultery of the eyes. Real strength isn't just lifting weights, it's lifting your gaze away from temptation. Ask yourself, will my workout please Allah or feed my nafs? 2. Hijab of modesty. Cover what matters. Sleeveless tops, shorts above the knee, what's normal in the gym often violates Islamic modesty. The Prophet said, modesty is part of faith. Your body is an amana, trust. Would you pray shirtless? Then why train like that? Opt for loose, breathable clothing that covers your aura. Remember, every rep in proper attire earns double rewards, physical and spiritual gains. 3. The forbidden grunt. Avoiding bad manners. Loud groans, dropped weights, ego lifting. Many gym sins aren't just annoying. The Prophet taught us to be considerate of others. Don't hog equipment. It's gulu, misappropriation. Clean your sweat. Leaving it is disrespectful. Control your temper. Anger is from shaitan. A true believer is strong yet gentle. Conclusion. Will your gym session count in Jannah? On Judgment Day, your deadlifts won't matter, but your intentions will. Was your workout for Allah or for ego, stares, and showing off? Comment gains below if you'll implement one of these rules next gym session. The clock is ticking. Every rep is a choice. Will you train for dunya or akhirah?